In the third question, they are asking us to verify whether the given points are collinear or not. The given points are, so basically they are given 3 points. First point is 1, 5. Second point is 2, 3. And the third point is -2, -1. Let us consider this as A, this as B, and this as C. So if we join any 3 points, we can either get a triangle or a line. So it's asking us to find out whether it is a collinear or not. So in the theoretical concept, there is in the first part of this exercise, we saw what is collinear. So what is collinear? If 3 points A, B and C lies on the same line, then it is a collinear. So this can be termed as collinear. If these 3 points doesn't lie on the same point, for example A and C lies on the same line, if these 3 points doesn't lie on the same line, rather 2 points lie on the same line and the third point lies somewhere else, let us consider this as C, then it will not be a collinear, rather it will become triangle. So the conclusion is, if we join any 3 points, either we will get a line or we will get a triangle. So it is asking us whether these 3 points joined together, we are getting a collinear or a triangle. So what we will do is, to come to a conclusion whether these 3 points forming a collinear or a triangle, we need to first find out the distance between these points. So we will calculate the distance between AB, then we will calculate the distance between AC, then we will calculate the distance between BC. There is pairs. And then we will see whether the 3 points lies on the same line or not. So first we will calculate AB. So the distance formula, that is same, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So if we calculate the distance, when we are calculating the distance between A and B, we will consider this as x1, this as y1, this as x2, this as y2. So if we substitute the values in this formula, x2, the value of x2 is 2, the value of x1 is 1 whole square, the value of y2 is 3 and the value of y1 is 5. If we subtract 2 minus 1, that will be 1 square, 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole square. This will become 1 plus minus 2 square, it will be 4. So if we add this to root 5. Similarly, we will calculate the distance between BC. Now when we are calculating the distance between B and C, this will become x1, y1 and this will become x2, y2. Substituting in the same formula, x2 minus 2, formula minus, and this is x1, that is 2, y2, it is minus 1, minus y1, that is 3. So if we calculate this, minus 2, that is minus 4 square, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 square. This will be 4 square 16 and this 4 square 16. 16 plus 16, that will become 32. 32 can be written as 16 into 2. This can be written as root 16 into root 2. Root 16 is nothing but 4 and root 2 as it is. So we got 2 values. We got AB value, that is root 5. We got BC value 4 root 2. Now we will calculate the distance between A and C. Now we will calculate the distance between A and C. So this will become x1, y1 and this will become x2, y2. So AC, again the same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 it is minus 2, minus x1 it is 1, y2 it is minus 1, y1 it is 5. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, minus 1 minus 5 minus 6, 3 square 9, 4 square 6 square 36. That will be 45. This 45 can be written as 9 into 5. If we separate the root 9 into root 5, this will be 3 root 5. So we got the value of AC as 3 root 5. 3 root 5. We got the distance between two pairs of points, that is AB, BC and CA. Now we need to check, is it possible that addition of the sum of any two sides is equal to third side? Is it possible if I add any two sides, am I getting the third side? If it is possible, if I get that, then I can say that these 3 points are collinear. In this case, if I add AB and AC, that will be 4 root 5, but the value of BC, so if I add AB plus AC, that will become root 5 plus 3 root 5, that is 4 root 5, but that is not equal to BC. So addition of 2 points, addition of 2 sides is not turning to be the third side. So if I take any other two sides, there is AB plus BC root 5 plus 4 root 2. Obviously this will not be equal to AC. So AB plus AC is not equal to BC, AB plus BC is not equal to AC. If I take BC plus AC, there is 4 root 2 plus 3 root 5. If I add this 2, that will not be equal to AB. So I am not getting addition of two sides is equal to third side. That's why, therefore, it is not collinear.